Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preeti and I'm hoping you all are doing good. I have recently purchased this butter box from the Amazon and I must say this is super useful and very handy. I used to store butter in a small jar, but it is getting consumed quickly and I would have to keep refilling it. In this box, I can store almost half kg of butter at once. I have cut the butter into small pieces, but you can store it as you prefer. My malai container was almost full, so I decided it was a perfect time to make ghee today. Since this is malai collected over an entire month, I had to get some help from my husband because the quantity was quite large. I have separated the malai into two containers, one for buffalo and one for cow ghee. So I have ended up with making the 1 kg of ghee almost, and I'm really happy with it. So now this is the dinner time, and today my son and I were craving for some Chinese food, so I decided to make cabbage manchurian and veggies fried rice. For the manchurian, I have grated the cabbage, green chilies and coriander leaves. Then I have added 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, red chili powder, salt, a bit of garam masala and coriander powder, and then make the dough without adding water. Fry the balls in hot oil. A little tip here, keep the flame on medium or they won't cook properly from inside. Now the crispy crunchy Manchurian balls is ready, and this is the time to make gravy. I have added the onion, tomato, a bit of cabbage in oil. After stir frying for about a minute, added the mixed sauces, soy sauce, chili and tomato sauce, and then tossed in the Manchurian balls along with some water. I added a corn flour slurry to thicken it and our Manchurian is ready. For the veggies paneer fried rice, I'm using whatever veggies I have in my fridge. Just saute the veggies with some paneer, add the cooked rice, salt, and I have added the leftover sauce, mixing a bit of Maggi masala for the spicy flavor. So the delicious yet simple cabbage manchurian and veggies paneer fried rice is ready, and this is the time to serve to Adi and Adi's friend. They were waiting from 1 hour, and after that we are going to have our dinner. This is the morning time and I'm giving a chapati cheese roll to Adi because I was not able to decide the tiffin box yesterday. I forgot. So I'm giving this along with makhana and banana. Someone in my neighborhood passed away, so I didn't get time to go out. So now I'm applying myself and I'm making whatever design I know. So this is very simple. You can see this is my karwa chauth dress. The skirt is of my engagement and blouse is from local market and dupatta is online. So this is mix and match dress. So later I have changed the dupatta and I'll show you in my next vlog. Karwa Chauth vlog is coming soon. So meet you in another video. Till then, bye bye.